Hey everyone, welcome to the LOR channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the please perform a Windows clean boot error in Roblox. To do this, search for run, open it and type in misconfig. Click OK, then start up. Open Task Manager and disable everything, like this. Click disable for each item. Make sure everything is turned off. After you've disabled all items, click apply, then restart your computer. After that, try launching Roblox. The problem should be fixed. We're back in Roblox. Now, after restarting, go back to Run, click OK, then Services. Here, click Enable All. Click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. This is Godik, signing off. Bye.